Good morning, students. Students, here we will discuss our activity, that art integrated activity for class 6. Student, the activity name is we will make 3D shapes by using paper stick. Students, here I am showing you the one paper stick. This is the paper stick. For this students, you can take any of paper, colored paper you can take, and this white paper also you can take. This is your choice, and by this you will make the paper stick. Students, here first of all I am showing you how you will make paper stick. For this you will take a square paper like this. With the help of pencil or any other object whatever you have, and with the help of the glue we will make the paper stick. Okay students. First of all students, you will draw here the glue stick. Okay students, at the end of the paper. After that students, with the help of the pencil you will fold this. Okay students, you will fold this like as I am doing. You will fold, and then you will get your paper stick. What I have done is here students, first I'll draw this glue on the paper, then with the help of pencil I have rolled this, and afterwards you can remove your pencil. Like this I have removed, and this is your paper stick. So students, like this you can make paper stick. You are to make paper stick according to your need you can make. And after that, now I am showing here, I have made already some of the paper sticks I have made. Okay students, now we will draw some 3D shapes by using this, and for that you are to use, what you will do, you will do half of these stick, because these are very long, so you will do half of, and for that from the middle of the stick you will cut with the help of the scissor. Students, here I have folded this one paper stick. I have done just half. Now with the help of the scissor I will cut in two parts. Okay students, now I am having these two small one. Like all, according to my need I will cut from between and I will make them two. Now students, you can see here I have done half of the 3 sticks. Now the total numbers are 6. Now students, with the help of this one needle and this thread, okay students, this one needle and this thread, one by one you can see here I am just, with the help of these stick, what you will do, you will just make them inside with the help of this needle. Only 3. First of all students, only 3 we need. This you can see 1, 2 and 3. With the help of thread I have joined them. Okay students. Now students, you will join them in the shape of equilateral triangle. Students, now I have arranged these 3 in the shape of equilateral triangle, and after that at the corner I have made one knot. Now they are fixed. You can see now they are fixed. After that students, we are not to cut this thread. Okay, and continue two more pipes, paper pipes, this paper stick, 2 more paper sticks we will do with the help of this needle. We will join them with the help of the needle. 2 more paper stick students, as you can see here, 2 more paper sticks I am joining with the help of this paper, with the help of this needle and the thread. Okay students, only 2. And after that students, what you will do, from any of this paper stick you will just pass this needle. Like this students, you will just pass this needle. Okay students, like this. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, now only one this one paper stick also you will join with the help of the thread. Okay students, and like this students, you can join. You can just do like this. You can see this is your figure. Now at last, at the end, here you can tie a knot and you can cut the thread. Students, either you can make a knot here and you can cut the extra thread, otherwise you can go at that point from where you have started. From here I have started, so with the help of needle you can come on this point. Okay students, and here only you can make a knot. Students, now you can see I have tied the knot, and now you can see this is the 3D shape figure. One of the 3D shape figure in the shape of the pyramid. All the faces are triangle. Downside one triangle. This one, these three sides also. These three faces are also triangles. So here total 4 triangles are here in this 3D shape. Okay students, now one more 3D shape we will make. Students, now after completing this tetrahedron, now we are making the 3D shape of cube. For this student, these paper sticks, I have done the half of one stick. Now one by one stick students I will take and I will join them 4 stick with the help of this needle and the thread. 1, then this is the 2 1, 3, third number, and this is the 4 1. 4 paper stick students, 4 paper stick students here I have joined with the help of the thread. Now I will mold them in the shape of the square, because as you know the base of the cube, not base even, all the faces of the cube are in the shape of square. Students, here these 4 paper stick I have joined together. Here I have done the knot. Now students, for the making of the face of this cube, now I will take only 3 paper stick with the help of the thread and the needle. I will join them. 2 I have taken students, you can see. Now one more I will take. Now these 3 paper sticks I have taken. Now students, for the one face, like this students, you will make one face. You can see here I am making this one face. Okay, you can see here this is the one face. What I will do students, here now with the one of the paper stick I will pass this on the next side. This face will be made on this base, so with the help of this pipe I will go that side, means opposite face I will go. Here I will go students, you can see like this. I will go there and it will be straight like this students. Okay, only 3 paper sticks I have joined here. Now again 3 paper sticks I will take. 1 paper stick, then 2 paper stick, and then third one. 3 paper stick students, again together I will join them. Now students, this is your complete figure. 3 faces of this cube we have made. Now there is my needle. So from this face, from this paper stick, I will pass my needle. Okay students, like this I will pass my needle. Now students, I need only, because these 2 faces I have made, so I need now only 1 paper stick. Students, now my thread is here. I will one more paper stick, throw one more paper stick, I will pass my needle. Okay students, at the first of the paper stick, this is the 1, 2 and 3. This one I will come on this paper stick, and again one more paper stick I will take here. Okay students, now you can see students, this one the paper stick. Okay, students, now you can see these are 3 faces. Now students, this one stick will come like this one. like this it will come. So from this one paper stick, I will pass my needle. Okay student, I will pass my needle, it will come this side, and you can see four faces we have done. This is the 1 2 3 4 5. Now this last one, here one more paper stick will come, here. So I will put one more paper stick here, and then I will pass my needle through this paper stick. And students, you will get like this your complete cube. You will get like this. Okay students, now here at the starting point, you can see this is my starting point. I can pass my needle here and I will make a knot. Now students, in this video I have made two shapes. One is the tetrahedron triangular prism that is having four sides and all are in the shape of equilateral triangle, and one is this cube, all sides are in the shape of the square. These both the shapes you can see here. And student, this is your activity, and what you are to do, you are to make this with the help of the paper stick, and it is your choice. You can take colored paper stick also, and now after that you are to place on your palm like this, and that you are to take a screenshot of two figure. Any of the figure you can make, like cuboid also you can make, cuboid, and any of the 3D shape you can make, and by placing on your palm like this, you are to take one pic and you are to send in the form of the PDF. Okay students, so this is your activity for half yearly.